What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Your Ass Hungry Now. And this week we're gonna be making some poutines. My name is Chef Jamal.
Chef Alex.
And here in Canada, it is poutine week. So we decided to throw our little fries on the plate and come up with our version of a big, delicious poutine.
Awesome. Let's get to it.
Let's do it.
What makes a poutine besides cheese curds? Gravy. All right. Beef stock. Boom, into the pot. Leek tops. Crushed garlic. Thyme. A little bay for bay. Black peppercorns. Sweet onion. A couple drops of Maggie. Carrot. We're gonna reduce this down by half. Here's our pearl onions. We're gonna peel them. Get them cooked down in the braised red wine. Olive oil into the pan. Peeled pearl onions, crushed garlic. Into the pan it goes. Sear, heavy. Salt. Some of that crack. Butter. Rosemary. Thyme. A little bit of spooning. Some of that Billy B. Sugar. Vinegar. Yo, and some of that homebrew, you know what I'm saying? And ain't a party with a little bay.
Little cinnamon stick. Literally, a little cinnamon.
All right, we're gonna bring these guys down for about half an hour over medium heat. All right, we're all reduced. Strain her off. We're gonna push out all that flavor for a flavor bomb. All right, we got 1 cup of beef stock, reduced.
Time to turn this reduced beef stock into some gravy. Gonna start with a teaspoon tablespoon of butter. Stir it around with my smallest whisk until it melts. Equal parts flour. To our roux, we're gonna add that reduced beef stock, whisking it in slowly. Whisk your gravy until it's smooth. Going to season our gravy with a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And that's our gravy. You know what's better than 1 type of cheese in a poutine? 2. Time to make a Mornay. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Gonna slowly mix in 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna add half a cup of old cheddar. Season it with salt, crack a black pepper. Our cheese sauce is ready.
Here's the pearl onions, braised out. Gotta be very careful when you take this caramel state because they could burn at the bottom very easily. We're gonna make a lemon rosemary salt. Lemon zest, lemon juice, rosemary, salt, chili flake, a little mixy mix. There's our fry seasoning.
We got some pork belly here. You can see the recipe in our loaded potato skins video. The link for that will be down in the description. And yeah, it's beautifully cooked. We're gonna sear that off, add to the poutine.
Pork belly, pan.
Fry time! And everyone's got a bag of frozen fries in their freezer. I'm gonna fry these up and use them for the poutine. Gonna fry our French fries. Fries came out of the fryer. Gonna season them with our herb salt. Give them a toss when they're hot, so all that salt and herbs and lemon stick to it. Mornay. Fries. Cheese curds.
Gravy.
They're gonna say, gravy!
Kiss my ass. Our pearl onions. Pork belly. Scallions.
It's time to enjoy this poutine.
Fucking poutine week, bro. My favorite fucking holiday.
It's not even a holiday.
It is now.
Oh shit, after you eat this it will be.
Mmm. If that's not a PD, I don't know what is.
PD, definitely a PD. PD's a panty dropper. Oh shit, I dropped some cheese. Fuck, that's delicious. I don't even know what to say. The onions, so sweet and jammy. The fattiness of that pork.
The fresh cheese curds.
The fresh cheese curds.
The Mornay, just to kind of have that cheese element again.
That is really good.
Yeah, that's as fresh as the scallions. Yeah. Dope.
So make this for poutine week. Send us a photo once it's done. Share it on our Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Leave it a big thumbs up if you have not already. Make sure you subscribe because we got new videos every week. And that was another ass. That was another ass. That was another episode of Your Ass is Hungry Now.
Tune in for next week.
Peace. Fuck me, suck me, that looks delicious.
We're making rosemary, salt, and lemon. Okay. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Why are you hitting me?
Work!
Ow.
Oh my god, what happened? Please tell me you got that on video.
I think I sacked myself.